Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a webcam, 4K webcam sent to us from EMEET. Let's go ahead and unbox this and then try it out compared to the 1080 that I've been using. I mean, granted, this is 4K, so the resolution ought to be really good. So anyway, let's unbox this first. Alright, you have one box that contains a pouch that holds the webcam. You have USB-C cable, menu. Okay, so here is the camera. It's very light. Interesting. Yeah. Had the on and off. Oh, so this is pretty cool. You can actually physically turn off the camera. So just in case your camera is still running for whatever reason, this will definitely block the any recording coming in. And you have a holder here. Here are all the stuff that came in the box. Let me go re-up the instruction and then try it out. S600 does come with a software you can download on their website. It's called the EMEET link. So S600, you can manually open and close the video camera. And that comes in really helpful, especially when you don't want the camera to record. And this way you can physically close the camera. So anyway, here is the software with the camera open. Now, the software doesn't really do a whole lot. It just gives you some of the settings where you can mess around with, such as horizontal flip, vertical flip, and some of the other stuff that you can mess around with, turning the video to different color, or you can change the brightness when you change to the customization, and so on and so forth. Now this is where you can change some of the settings, but in terms of recording, you still have to use your own software to do so. All right, so here we go. I'm using the OBS Studio, and as you can see here, now some of the things you should know. This particular camera, when you're shooting at 4K, the frame per second, the highest at 30 frames per second. Now, if you lower to 1080, then the highest you can go is at 60 frames per second. So if you want a higher frame rate, then you have to lower the resolution. You can also set it to 2K, but that's also in 30 frames per second. But let's just do the 4K for now. As you can see, it can auto focus. So let's try something. All right, so I have the GoPro here. So you can see. And now I focus back to me. Let's do some recording. All right, so right now it's nighttime. I have the room light on, and also both my monitors on as well. So this is the only light source I currently have, and this is what it looks like and sounds like. Right now I am recording in 4K. Now let me show you what a 1080 will look like in terms of the video quality. Okay, so this is the 1080p version at nighttime. The only light source I have is the light on top and also my monitors. Those are the only lights I have. And this is what it looks like and sounds like. And also this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Alright, so my final thought about the C600, it is really nice camera to have, especially how light it is, how versatile it is. You can just put on top of your monitor, or you can put on top of a camera stand. So it's very versatile. And also 4K. There's no comparison when it comes to higher resolution. So C600 is really good for streaming or do video recording on your own. So yeah, it is a really nice product to have, especially at the price point they are provided. I'll put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check it out. Also, here are some of the footage of the daytime and nighttime without the lights, so you can do some comparison. Alright, so right now it's daytime. Obviously, if you have really bright light in your background, that's going to distort the video a little bit. But this is what you can expect from in daytime if you have window or light source on the backdrop, and this is what it's going to be look like and also what it sounds like. Alright, so right now it's completely dark. It's dark outside and I have turned off the lights in the room, and the only light source I have are the two monitors I have here side by side, and this is what it looks like. Anyway, so if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.